Alright, so I've got a video for you guys today all about nature, and as you may know, I'm from Montana, and I want to tell you all about nature vocabulary and all the healing powers of nature and how wonderful it is to experience, especially in Montana, in Glacier National Park. I'm at Lake McDonald in Apgar, the entrance to West Glacier. Hey guys, here I am on my hike in Glacier Park, and it is so beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos and you can come visit sometime. Mountain goats. Oh. Montana nature, vocabulary, metaphors, and similes. What are metaphors and similes? These are comparisons to make a deeper meaning, used to make writing more vivid. So vivid means it's brighter, it has more color, it has more descriptions. Here's an example. This waterfall is like silk fabric on a dress. So we're comparing that water falling over the rocks to a dress that looks like silk. Let's look at some new vocabulary words that you can learn. Nature's power to rejuvenate us is like medicine for the spirit. What does rejuvenate mean? It means a feeling of restoration and energy after feeling down. So when you get outside in nature, you walk with the trees and the mountains, it makes you feel alive, makes you feel like you have more energy. Seeing Lake McDonald's spectacular and vast views feels like floating in the sky. Spectacular means dramatically amazing. And vast means wide open. So in Montana, we have wide open spaces that are quite spectacular. The towering mountains looming over us is nature's majestic power over humans. Towering means immensely tall, and majestic means grand and impressive. Avalanche Lake's pristine water is a meditation for calm living. Pristine means clean and pure, and meditation means thinking and focusing deeply. Some of you may do meditation to relieve stress. The enchanting green and blue rivers and waterfalls in Montana are a fairy tale come to life. Enchanting means wonderful and delightful. We often use this word when we're talking about places that are unreal, like a fairy tale. When you go to Montana, you often see nature that looks unreal. It looks like a painting. Hiking up the long, winding trails takes your mind off the stress of life and energizes your muscles. Hiking means walking up mountains. It's one of my favorite activities to do in Montana. The idyllic pink, orange, and blue reflections of Montana sunsets on the Glacier Lake is a painting come to life. Idyllic means perfect and tranquil. I hope you get outside and drink the healing benefits of nature, just like I do.